how to download Messenger application on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily download Messenger application on your PC or laptop. So it's a simple process. So first thing, just head over to your Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 or 11, and once you're inside here, simply head to the search bar and simply search in for Messenger itself. So once you search in for Messenger application, as you can see, it's available for free under the Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 or 11. So all you have to do is just click on this install button from over here and just wait for some time for it to check your dependencies and your installation. And based on your internet connection or speed, it will be automatically downloaded and installed on your device. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. And once it is successfully downloaded and installed on your device, you can basically search in from the search bar for that particular application which you just downloaded from here, just like this, and simply open the application and start running it. So I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.